Hi, I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's your CNY Central First Alert forecast. And as we look ahead today, we have a beautiful weather day on tap for you. Basically, today is almost exactly like yesterday in the fact that it's chilly early this morning. We should have a ton of sunshine through the day. We'll have an east-southeasterly breeze at 7 to 17 miles an hour. The temperature is probably going to be about 3, 4, 5 degrees warmer than yesterday. Since we were 60 yesterday, very late in the afternoon, that was the max temperature yesterday. I figure we'll get to about 64 later this afternoon. Underneath, sun-kissed skies on tap today. A beautiful day in the sky department. Thinking about doing the first mowing of the year, although, you know, with the rain that we've had recently, not obviously in the last 24 hours, but this time of year the soil is still a little muddy, so I'll see how it looks. Maybe you'll do that too. Well, tomorrow it's still going to be mild. In fact, if you were tuning in yesterday, we do have some much warmer temperatures now looking likely Wednesday because the front is moving slower. So we'll be in the warm sector longer. Now, that doesn't mean we're not getting rain, because we will, and we're going to show you that in a sec. Thursday and Friday are going to be cooler. Not ridiculously cold, but just chilly. Weekend looks like it's going to be in the 60s for highs. So today is easy money. Sunny, maybe a few clouds to the south. It's a late April beauty and a high of 60 to 65. Tonight is essentially quiet, mainly clear to partly cloudy. I just want to show you this. See on the Futurecast is a little bit of green trying to approach us and then kind of falls apart. It's kind of tough to try to make out, but I'll draw in a little bit. There's a little mini warm front that's right about there, okay, in the morning. I'm just going to draw a few little semicircles here. I wouldn't be surprised if at some point Wednesday morning it gets cloudy and there may be a scattered shower out ahead of this front. So don't be surprised tomorrow morning if there's a shower that moves through. Then from mid-morning to mid-afternoon, let's call it 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.-ish, it's probably going to be dry. And then as that warm front comes through, we get a strong southerly wind. That, and even just some limited sun, should push temperatures easily into the 60s. If the sun is out bright, there's even an outside chance of 70. Now, once you get past 2 p.m., the threat for rain goes up. I can't time it down to the second or to the exact hour at this point, but let's just say after 2, you're at risk of rain. And each hour that you go, the better the chance for the rain. And you'll notice for a couple of hours, there's probably going to be a band of steadier rain that comes through. Once the front goes through, we go from the 60s down into the 40s in short order. So we're probably going to go from upper 60s to upper 40s in like 2 hours. So that's going to be a big difference by the evening. Then when you wake up Thursday morning, it's chilly. We're in the 30s. Straight east of the lake, there may be a few flurries. Otherwise, Thursday should have quite a bit of sunshine. Now you can see the nearly 100% sunshine we're going to have today, 25% sun tomorrow. There's that majority of sunshine for Thursday. Late in the afternoon and into Thursday night, there's going to be a small disturbance that comes through central New York. So the best chance of getting a little bit more scattered precipitation will be very, very late Thursday or Thursday night. Now, I've got to say this. If the precipitation comes in Thursday night, rain showers might mix with snow showers. I don't want to go crazy with this yet, but there's an outside chance of a little, quote, surprise accumulation, especially over higher elevations. We'll see. It's a low probability for that. There's a look at the 7-day forecast. So you can see temps. The normal high is about 61, 62 for the period. You can see there's some fluctuations. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Make it a great Tuesday.